Today we are talking about the Ikonart Kit 3.0. The 3.0 kit is exactly the same as the 2.0 kit with just two minor changes. The stand is exactly the same. We still have the lightweight stand with the 30-watt light and the on and off switch. Super easy to put together and also to take apart if you want to store it in the box when you're not using it. You can put it together and take it apart really easy with the included Allen wrench. The kit also will include the same items as the 2.0 kit, our plastic squeegee, of course, the clipboard, our handy dandy quick start guide that includes a QR code if you want to scan that to watch a video, and then our stand setup guide and our user guide. So this user guide has everything you need to get started with Ikonart step-by-step instructions. Please read this. And of course, we also include our artwork sample and our stencil sample. All of these were also in the 2.0 kit. And then our So Fancy gift cards. With these two cards, you get $190 worth of free SVGs from So Fancy. So those will also continue to be in the kit. And then of course you get the printer film. So whether you have a laser or inkjet printer, you'll get both of those as well. The main difference in the 3.0 kit compared to our 2.0 kit is the stencil film. So in our 2.0 kit, we gave you 5 sheets of our original blue stencil film, but in the 3.0 kit, you will get to try both films. So we are upping it to a 6-pack, a 6-sheet pack of film, and you will get 3 blue and 3 purple. So now you will be able to try both of our films when you buy the Ikonart Kit 3.0. Our blue film, our original film, is made for smooth surfaces like glass, ceramic, chalkboards, those types of surfaces. It holds slightly finer detail and it has a less aggressive adhesive. They're not as sticky. They're also great for cookies and our stencil glaze. Our purple film was developed for textiles. It's our textile film, but it's also great for other textured surfaces like wood and that kind of thing. It has a little bit of a stickier backing. The adhesive is stickier, so it works great on those kind of surfaces. The other change to the 3.0 kit is that we are now including a sample of Etchal etching cream. This cream works so good with our blue stencil film on glass. You can get a super smooth, permanent etch on glass, and the stencils are still reusable even with the Etchal etching cream. So now you will get a sample of this as well in each kit so that you can try our blue stencil film right away. And those are the main differences between the 3.0 kit and the 2.0 kit. If you have any questions about how to use Ikonart, you can of course check out our other videos or leave a comment. We hope you enjoy the Ikonart kit as much as we do.